Are we married now is an appropriate way to start my vows. Everything we have ever done, the good and the bad, has led us to this exact moment. As we stand here across the world from our perfect little family. Life changed for me 2 years ago. I remember joking that I would be the fun bachelor uncle to my friends' kids because I would never settle for anyone less. And then I met you. And then I fell for you. And then I got to know you, inside and out. And then I fell for you even harder. Then 7 months later, I put my heart on the line and I asked you to be mine forever.
I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know. 'Cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go.
I promise to love you forever. I promise to go on as many adventures as possible with you, even more than we already have been on. And to put our minds together and to start and run many business ventures. I promise to use my quirks to cheer you up when you had a bad day, and to hold you close when you aren't feeling so great, and to celebrate with you all the amazing things that have yet to come.
I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise till death we part, like in our vows. So I wrote this song for you. Now everybody knows that it's just you and me till we're gray and